Yeah, you did.
I did okay.
What's your name?
My name is Femke, but my friend call me
Lumi. What's your name? You see, as a farmer, you're too sweet. Lumi, I beg, I want to ask you one question. Shay, you don't do hookup before?
No.
Na lie.
Never do hookup.
At all.
You sure? Okay, now imagine say as you find like this where you gather where everywhere set. Imagine say they do hookup. How much you would they charge per night?
At least per night like 3 M.
You are a criminal. 3 million one night.
Yeah.
Oh boy, Jesus. Okay, wait, say you dey work.
Yeah, they work.
You dey work, I mean.
Yeah.
So how much do they pay in a month?
In a month, like let me say like 700K.
700K in a month.
Yeah.
Okay, now and you dey hook up like you dey charge 3 million per night. Okay, maybe we do small calculation. Now 3 million in a month is about 90 million, I think. 90 million. Now you don't feel say maybe you start up hookup instead we go dey do your business.
You dey use your function to play.
Say if I start hookup, I'm gonna do my business.
No, like maybe just start up hookup pay and like imagine say 90 million in a month compared to 700,000. So you don't feel say hookup that the best option.
It is smoky,
I
but
don't be suffer my business.
Why you don't do something pussy? But money dey hook up. Imagine 3 million every night.
My boyfriend said that.
we just
Your
pray.
boyfriend will give you 90 million in a month.
You fit now.
You sure?
100.
You sure?
100.
Okay, now, Lewana, thank you.
You're welcome.